Basically, these 3 exercises is just to correct your contact point. Okay, you need to use more your forearm here to do this. The energy comes from your legs, okay, but then needs to reach here, and you need to use this muscle here. And the last one is to use your legs. Okay, you need to prepare, and you are low, right? And then when you play, you reach this contact point, and you need to use your legs to generate more energy, and you need to move instead of going only up like we did here. You need to go up and forward. You're gonna start with your contact point to have the contact point in front of you, right? With distance between your body and the racket, okay? And on your side, you still need to play there and not here. So you need to start here. You're gonna be on the floor, okay? Racket here, yeah? You're gonna do this here, this movement, this part. Yeah. You need to work this part of your arm and feel this muscle working like this. And I'm gonna do the second. You did last week, so it's the same. You need to keep the racket here, like this, and just okay. And you just do this to my hand. Okay, I'll be on the other side. You just play here, and you need to imagine you answer the phone in the end. You need to play. Imagine you answer the phone. Now you're gonna start a little bit more back. Imagine you have the net and you just do this, but then you go to your shoulder and you answer the phone like you are here. Okay? You imagine you have the net and you need to listen this sound, Topspin here. Okay? And you finish the ball. And now let's do the progression. You're gonna do this, and when you play, you need to go up. Okay? So you start here, you're gonna play and go up. This.